Now that we've created our format in JMagic, it's time to start adding fields. In this tutorial, I will go over adding a static text field to your format. To add a text field, you will simply click this button up here. As you can see, if you hover over it, it says Create a Text Field. Click it once, and then drag your mouse wherever you would like your field to begin, and click again. Once you click, you will see the Create a New Text Field window appear on your screen. The first value here, the field type or field name, is star heading. Now we are going to leave that as star heading, as that will create a static text field. You can see there are other field types that can be used, which will be gone over in a later tutorial. In the description is where you will type the text that you would like to appear on your format. For this tutorial, we'll use JMagic. As you can see, as we type that in, it starts appearing on our format. The positioning properties is simply telling you where your field is located. It is 9.98 inches from the bottom and 2.57 inches from the left. The length of the field is just the length of characters in the field. That automatically increases as we type in the description box. Variable length will be gone over in a different tutorial. Decimals can be used for numeric fields. The font currently is set to Times New Roman. If I click this, I can simply select a different font of my liking. We'll choose Arial. The point is just the size of the text. We can change this to 16 to make it bigger. If I click on the Font tab, we will have more properties for us to alter our field. The color is currently black. We can make it white. You can see it changed to white. We'll go back to black as we want this to appear on our printout. If you're using, say, a PCL5 color driver, you would have more properties here to choose from, such as red, blue, purple, and etc. But because this is just a normal PCL5 driver, you only have black or white. The styles you can click on to add any kind of underline, italic, or bold, and other values to your text. We'll make this underline, and you can see the field underlines right away. Your field rotation is how you will rotate the text field. I'll let you watch here as I click through the different rotations. 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. We'll go back to 0 degrees for this tutorial though. Now once you are satisfied with your field, you can click OK. Now that your field is on your canvas, you can simply click on the field and hold and move it around wherever you'd like if you didn't like where you placed it the first time. If I want to edit the field further, then I can double click on the field to bring up Edit a Text Field box. If I want to edit it quicker, we have a feature called Quick Edit that you can turn on by clicking the button here. Now, see Quick Edit. If I click on the field, you can see all the values of the field down here. If I wanted to add more to this description, I can add more just by typing down here, and then press Enter, and you'll see that automatically added to my format. If I decided I didn't like the underline, but I wanted to bold it, I can change it to bold. If I wanted to change the font, I can do so here again. We'll leave it as Arial though. If I wanted this to be a little bigger, go to 0.26. And I can just click off of the field, and you can see my field is all changed. Thank you for watching this tutorial.